Operation Grid Games is a collection of games for children who are just beginning their mathematical journey. The colourful layouts and hands-on approach allow children to gain a solid foundation for future learning as they engage with a fun range of educational activities. Operation Grid Games is a fantastic resource for teachers, but equally may be used by parents who are keen to give their children a head start with learning. The collection includes games which cover a range of concepts. Children can start with learning to recognise numbers and by the end of the series be working on addition and subtraction of one-digit numbers. If the games are used in a classroom, there's plenty of room for differentiation. The graded concepts presented in the games means that there's no need for everyone to be playing the same game at the same time. Instead, children can participate in activities at a level appropriate to their understanding. There is support material available to use beside each of the games in the Operation Grid Games series. This material gives students a scaffold for understanding the concepts treated in the game, enabling them to participate confidently, regardless of whether they've mastered the skills involved or not. The explicit instructions provided in the collection allow an opportunity for home learning. Parents will be well equipped to reinforce the learning that has gone on in the classroom. The Inquisitive Minds Problem Solvers Toolkits are a great addition to the games in this collection. Parents will love the convenient and colourful collection of hands-on materials. Of course, these toolkits are a great way of allowing concrete materials to be easily organised and quickly accessible in the classroom as well. Why not visit our Inquisitive Minds shop to purchase some or all of the Operation Grid Games collection today?